All right, I think I had an agenda ready. Let me check where that is. Right, so many people, so nervous. So now let me find the agenda. It was there just a moment ago. Wait, what are you saying? All right, yeah, I should be using my magnifying glasses. Well, it's not working. All right, yeah, it can't work because I'm using the wrong side of the magnifying glass, so I have to turn it around. So we do have an agenda for all of you. And we started with the welcome and the check-in. And we will then afterwards do just a short intro into visual thinking, because not all of you have experienced maybe visual facilitation or visual thinking. Then we would like you to draw icons together across 4 screens. And then we're going to do a little bit of developing icons together. So it's a, how to say, random icon development, which is a lot of fun. At least I felt it's a lot of fun. There's going to be a raffle at some point where we will raffle a document camera and a book. We will try to use the icons that we develop together in collaborative storytelling afterwards across the frames. And then there's going to be a checkout. I'm actually relieved that I found the agenda afterwards. I also have it here, but the other of presenting it is just so much more fun, because we said it is also going to be analog and about presenting stuff, right?